Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you the screen mirroring on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically, if you're wondering if OPPO A6 Pro have a screen mirroring, yes it does, and I'll show you how to screencast basically. So open up your settings and go here to connection and sharing, screencast. And the first option right here, search for display devices, cast your phone screen to a TV or other display devices. Click on it, agree and continue with audio recording and location. And this is optional, nearby devices, notifications. Agree and continue. And basically your phone is now searching for the device to connect. So you'll need to turn on the screencast feature on your TV, projector or any other device you can screencast with and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone basically. And it will appear right here and you'll be able to connect to it basically. So that's it, thank you for watching and subscribe for more.